2000 Ford F-150 4.2 liter V6. Got some nice wheels. It's got the step side on it. Really cool. You don't find these much anymore. This one comes with 4 catalytic converters, 2 on this side, 2 on this side. Then it winds into a single there. And what we did is we ran a whole new system from there back. So like cat back they call it. So we put a 3-inch pipe in the middle. FLOWMASTER's 40 series, part number 430402. There'll be a link in the description for it. 2 tailpipes out the back on each side, right there, 2 1/4. And then 4-inch rolled black tips to complete the look. It just looks a lot nicer, a lot cleaner, as you guys can see. It's a really good shape for it being a 2000. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Not bad. That sounds really nice. I like it. Here's sound decibels. 106. Nothing like an original FLOWMASTER sound. They sound good on anything. Let you guys hear on the inside.